Truck coming in, keep clear. Forward steady, align with the platform. Stop, set brakes, ready to unload. Conveyor on, watch the flow. Good pace, next truck line up.
This one's a good size, but feels a bit soft.
Yeah, check the skin. Any spots?
Soft spot here, tossing it.
Good call. Next one looks firm.
Fresh and ready for processing.
Flow rate is steady at 450 liters. Keep monitoring.
Separator RPMs look good, all clear. Running the sweetness test now.
Okay, let's see the reading.
Color is holding steady.
Freshness is confirmed. pH is good.
Natural sugar content is on target.
Excellent. All metrics are in spec.
In industrial pasteurization, watermelon juice is heated to eliminate bacteria, preserving its natural flavor and freshness. This controlled process ensures the juice remains safe and retains its quality. Let's check the color and texture here.
Looks vibrant and smooth.
Confirm no particles or cloudiness.
All clear. We can start packaging.
In this cold storage facility, packaged watermelon juice is kept at precise temperatures to preserve its freshness and quality. Advanced systems ensure safe, reliable storage, maintaining beverage integrity from warehouse to consumer.
Bacterial samples are clear, no contamination detected. Now for sweetness. Brix is 8.5, right in spec. Placing these in the chamber for shelf life testing. Results will confirm durability.
Starting the collection. These are for the contamination analysis?
Understood? Checking this batch for uniformity.
Good. Seal them and log the batch number.
Sealing now, ready for the testing lab.
From lush watermelon farms, a journey begins into a modern plant where fruit becomes sweet red juice, connecting the world, delivering nature's refreshment globally.